Hi, boys and girls. So this is your lesson 1 for skills. Help me read the I can statements. I can read the A sound and its spellings. I can read tricky words and high frequency words. I can read a letter from the publisher and answer comprehension questions. So in our last unit, we practiced R-controlled vowels. And remember, R-controlled vowels is one vowel letter followed by the consonant R. Remember, it looks like this with your fingers crossed like this. Okay? So what sound does ER make? What sound does OR make? Or. What sound does AR make? R. So down here, we need to put these words in the correct column. So what is this word? Ready? We're going to tap it out. Ready? B-A-C-Y-A-R-D. Backyard. So where am I going to put this? Does it say or R? Yep, it says R. So backyard goes with AR. And as you see, it's spelled with an AR, so it goes under the AR column. All right, the next one. Let's tap it. S-I-S-T-R. What's the word? Sister. So what sound does it have? Or R? Yes, it has And again, you can see it's spelled ER, so it goes under the ER column because it says All right, let's tap the next word. Ready? Born. What's the word? Born. Where are we going to put it? Yes, under OR, the OR column. Good job. All right, let's tap the next word. Short. What's the word? Short. Where do we put this word? Yes, under OR, it says OR, spelled OR. Let's tap the next word. U-at-er. What's the word? Letter. Where are we going to put this word? Yes, it goes under ER because it says All right, let's tap the next word. M-ark. What's the word? Mark. Where are we going to put this word? Yes, it says R for AR, so it goes under the AR column. Let's tap this word. Started. Started. Where are we going to put this one? Yeah, under the AR again, because it has R. AR. It says AR. All right, so tap the next one. Sport. What's the word? Sports. Where do we put this word? Yep, under the OR, it says OR, spelled OR. Let's tap the next word. Expert. What's the word? Expert. Where do we put this word? Yep, ER. All right, let's tap this word. What's the word? Some. Where do we put this word? We don't put it anywhere because it doesn't go in any of the columns. It doesn't have an ER or an OR or an AR. I tried to trick you. I hope I didn't trick you. Good job. All right, let's go and read our words. Ready? Sister, letter, expert, born, short, sports, backyard, mark, started. All right, good job. Okay, for the next part, what does A say in this word? Remember, in this word, it's A consonant E. The syllable type is A consonant E or silent E. It's when one vowel, you have one consonant and then the silent E, and the vowel is long. So what does A consonant E say? Yeah, it says A. Because remember, this silent E is a magic E, and it says, hey, A, say your name, and I'm going to be quiet. Okay? So we have A consonant E, cake. Can you think of any other words that are spelled with an A consonant E besides cake? So we could put same, and remember the A consonant E says A. We could put bake, and the A consonant E says A. And there's many more words. I'm just giving you some examples. Now when we have the letter A, we know that this sound can say A or A. But I wanted to say A because it comes at the end of the first syllable, it'll say A. So what that means is the word has to be at least 2 syllables. So it can be 2 or more syllables where the A comes at the end of the first syllable in order for it to be the long A sound. So an example of a word would be baking. So if we if we clap out baking, ready? Baking. So I divide the sounds between the A and the K. Do you see how the A comes at the end of this first syllable? And that's why it says A and not A. Another word I was thinking of is paper. Let's clap out paper. Paper. So again, paper. The A is coming at the end of the first syllable. All right, let's go to the spelling AI. AI is a vowel team, which is one of our syllable types. Remember, 2 vowel letters side by side is a vowel team. And vowel teams can either be long, short, or something else. So AI in this case says A. Can you think of a word or words that have A in them spelled AI? What's this word? Well, let's tap it. A. What's the word? Pain. Good job. What about this one? What's this word? Let's tap it. Wait. What's the word? Wait. Yep. And as you notice, this AI is coming in the middle of words because that is where you will find the AI, the vowel team AI. It will be in the middle of the words. Okay? All right, the next one, A-Y. What does A-Y say? Yeah, A. Can you think of a word that says A, spelled A-Y? What's this word? Let's tap it. Ready? D-A. What's the word? Day. What's this one? Let's tap it. S-A. What's the word? Say. Yes. So A-Y comes at the end of the word. You will see A-Y at an end of a word, okay? And then there's some odd ducks that say A spelled some different ways. So our odd duck is great. So this E-A says A. And then we have hey. E-Y says A. And then we have way. And this E-I-G-H says A. Okay, and this is not the way that's spelled over here. That would be W-A-Y. This is way, meaning that, like, how much do you weigh? So you would stand on a scale and you would see how many pounds you weigh. So as you can see, there are lots of different spellings for the A sound. We have A consonant E, A by itself, that will come in the beginning, that will become in the, that will be in the first syllable, but it'll be at the end, right at the end at the end of the first syllable. And then you have AI, that says A, will be in the middle of a word. You have AY, that'll be at the end of the word that says A, and then we learned that EA says A, EY says A, and EIGH says A. So wow, there are a lot of different spellings. So we're going to go on to our spelling tree, okay? Our spelling tree, if you notice down here, says A-E. And remember, when you see the lines that are slanted like this or diagonal, we say the sound. So this is the A sound spelling tree. We say A consonant, E says A. What's this word? Cake. What's this word? Name. The A spelling tree has the letter A. And remember, the letter A will come at the end of the first syllable. So what's this word? Acorn. What's this word? Paper. AI says A. What's this word? Claim. And what's this word? Rain. And remember, the AI comes in the middle of the word. Okay, and then we have AY says A. What's this word? May. How about this word? Stay. And then you have your odd ducks, which is great, hay, and way. So this is just another way that could help you remember the different spellings for the A sound. These branches on your spelling tree represent the A consonant E, the A words that will come at the end of the first syllable, the AI words, the AY words, and then your odd ducks like great for EA says A, EY for hay says A, and EIGH says A for way. All right? Okay. Now the next part. We are going to go ahead and read some words that we are going to find in our read aloud today. Okay? This A is the short A sound. So what does the short A sound say? Ah. Yes. So read the words with me. Ready? Math, chat, ask, dads. And then we have ing that is added to the end, so it makes it a two-syllable word, because when you add prefixes to words, or not prefixes, I'm sorry, suffixes to words, they go at the end and it adds another syllable. Remember we talked about this, like ing or ed adds another syllable. So let's read these words. Running, jumping, skipping, standing. And then we have some multi-syllable words that are going to be in our story today. Let's read them. Different, inspire, effect. All right, good job. So before we read our story today, we have some vocabulary that we're going to see in our story. What do you think the word jot means? Look at this picture. What do you think this person is doing if he's jotting something down? Yeah, it means to write something down quickly. So you just quickly write it down. You're jotting it down. Inspire. What do you think the word inspire means? Look at the picture. It means to produce a positive feeling and or to set an example. So if you're inspired by someone, it means you look up to them because you get a happy feeling. You feel good about it. You want to be like them. Effect. What does effect mean? It's the result of something. Have you ever heard of cause and effect? When you have cause and effect, the cause is what causes the effect. So for example, there's a really bad thunderstorm out and it's super, super windy. That would be the cause. What would be the effect? The power goes out. All right, what do you think the word excel means? Excel. Our new reader is titled Kids Excel. So what do you think the word excel means? All right, ready? Let's do it. Mirror image words. Excel means to work hard to do something very well. Ready? Mirror image words. Excel means to work hard to do something well. Okay? And the title of our book is Kids Excel, and it's supposed to be the name of a magazine. And each story that is written in here is a magazine article. Okay? So here's our table of contents. What is the table of contents? Yep. The table of contents is the name of the chapter and what page it's on. And so if you look at this, the first story in our reader today is A Letter from the Publisher, and it's on page 2.